My dream is to inspire you to live a more awesome and sustainable life. Hi, my name is Matilda and some people call me Matti, and that was how the channel name Miss Matti was born. My background is in fashion and knitwear design, but I have many crafty passions besides sewing, knitting and designing. But besides those, I also have a lot of other crafty loves. I just love making things, and I love upcycling, not just clothes but also home decor, furniture. I love extending my clothes through mending, and I also love learning new types of fiber arts. I believe that if more people learn skills like knitting, sewing, mending, etc., that is an important part of the slow fashion movement. My dream is to inspire you to live a more awesome and sustainable life. I believe that the word sustainable isn't just about lowering our carbon footprint, reducing waste, or reusing things. That is of course important too, but for me, what I really mean by sustainable is that we are not just only doing that, but we are also living lives that are meaningful to us. Not necessarily filled with more stuff, but with more meaning, like creativity and connection to others. If that sounds like something for you, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, join our community here, and let's just create more and connect with one another.